Now we are done on demo. It's time for clean up, so we can lay out our new foundation, and we will dig it and pour concrete. See, it's a lot of combination of dry rot and termite. This deck, it's according to the owner, when he bought the house in 1987, he bought it brand new. So 1987, this is like a 33 years old deck, but I think he repaired the deck once. Now it's time to remove everything and to redo it. He wanted waterproof, so we are putting a Dexotex waterproofing system on the floor, and then on the railing we are using a composite baluster, post, and handrail. We are done on the framing. As you can see, I install a hanger there. They are HUS 4 2x6, and then I use a 4-inch 5/16 of an inch lug screw there, every 16 inch top and bottom, and I still need to put more because I don't have enough there. The bottom part I hit the top plate, and then the top is just the rim joist there. And then we install a 3/4 TNG plywood, because the owner want to waterproof it. So I will call my subcontractor or waterproofer guy. He will use a Dexotex. And then on the other side, I use a hurricane tie for its floor joist. And I use a 4x6 beam with a 4x4 column cap CCQ and a 4x4 pressure treated wood. And on the bottom, I did not show it on my video because I forget my camera, and that day we pour concrete on this one, but we dug 2 feet by 2 feet deep and 2 feet square. So for these two pudding, I use like I think about 19 bags of 90 pounder concrete mix there, and I use a secondary 2x10 fascia board, and the owner just wanted to paint it white to match the windows. Windows are white, and all the trimmers, the fascia board, are also white. That's why he wanted to paint white. Let's go up. I'll show you what you can see on this deck above. So the deck, it's this is 11 by 14 feet. It used to be 10 by 14, As you can see, I put a slope 2%, so the water will drain to this side on my left. 2%, it's equal to quarter of an inch for every 12 inch. There, and then the owner want a Trex or a composite railing and a baluster with a composite post sleeve, so this will be covered. This post, regular post, will be covered with a post sleeve, and this deck, the waterproofer subcontractor will come here to waterproof this deck. And this is the view that they can see on this deck. That is the mountain of what is that? Chino Hills. There, the Chino Hills mountain over there. And then that mountain, I think that's the Mount Baldy mountain, where during winter those are white mountain, they covered with snow. And I'm here standing in the this is the Diamond Bar. This is the house of my son-in-law. He was born and grew up in this house. Most of the neighbors, as you can see, we can see up to the third house. They have, all of them, they have swimming pool at the back. The old deck is similar to that neighbor, and I think I took a picture. It's a video. It's a time-lapse video when we demo this deck. Exactly similar to that. The only difference is the color. There. It's a good view, you know. The mountain, they are not that green because there is not much rain here in California, and during summer, like for the past 3 weeks, it's like 110 degrees here. It's like 140 Celsius, so 110 is about 41, 42 in Celsius. Now, right now, it's about 84 degrees in Fahrenheit. And for those of you who are familiar in this area, that is the Grand Boulevard. Okay, thank you for watching, and this is the part 1 of this deck renovation or rebuilding of this deck, and please watch out for the next for the part 2 of this video. Please click and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching. Bye.